Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very creative, very beautiful and artistic in itself, and it is at the same time related to our health issues because in this video I am sharing a very beautiful, exquisite and stylish, easy to make DIY hand embroidery face mask design patterns. All of these face masks are ideal and perfect for COVID protection, and with the help of these face masks you could stay protected from COVID, from acute viral viruses and many more stuff. So if you are new to my channel or you are watching my video for the very first time, then don't forget to subscribe my channel, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. And on my channel you can get creative, stylish and very easy ideas of daily fashion trends. And one more thing which I just forgot to tell you and share with you, that is these masks are absolutely favorable for girls, boys and even for adults and children, and they are reusable, washable along with the supporting nose wire, and they are along with inner filter pocket. And the one more creativity is that you can easily and comfortably wear them throughout the whole day. So stay blessed and stay connected. Hope to see you soon back in my channel. And not only this, there are also thread work, ribbon embroidery patterns with very easy and simple basic hand embroidery stitches have been used. So go try these patterns and share your experiences with us, and stay tuned, and hope to see you soon back in my channel with my new content and new ideas. The purpose of my videos is to share some creative ideas through some designs, and if you want to learn through step-by-step tutorials, then let me know and leave your comments below the comment section below this video so that I could come up with new content according to your choices. So thank you so much. Hope to see you soon back in my new content.